5 bizarre facts about ancient deities you never knew you needed to know. Number 5. Thor, the god of thunder, was also the god of fertility. In Norse mythology, Thor's hammer was not only a weapon, it was also a symbol of his power over nature. And what does that mean? It means that Thor was responsible for the fertility of the land and the prosperity of the crops. So if you were an ancient Scandinavian farmer, you would definitely want to get on Thor's good side. Number 4. Zeus, the king of the gods in Greek mythology, was known to have a really weird obsession with cows. He would regularly visit Earth in disguise as a bull or a swan just to hang out with them. And he wasn't just interested in hanging out with cows. He was also obsessed with chariots pulled by cows. I mean, who isn't, right? Number 3. The Egyptians believed that the goddess Hathor could turn men into crocodiles. And she wasn't just some kind of vengeful deity. She was actually seen as a symbol of feminine power and sexuality. So if you were a woman in ancient Egypt and you wanted to be seen as strong and independent, you would have worshipped Hathor. Number 2. In ancient Rome, the goddess Minerva was associated with wisdom and intelligence. But she was also associated with something else: gambling. Yeah, really. The Romans believed that Minerva was the patron goddess of gamblers, and they would often gamble with dice in her temples. And number 1 is going to blow your mind. The god of love and beauty in ancient Greece was named Eros, but you probably wouldn't have recognized him if you saw him on the street. Why? Because Eros was actually blind. That's right, the god of love was blind. Now, you might be thinking that this makes sense, because love is often associated with things like passion and desire, which can cloud our judgment. But in ancient Greece, there was a very practical reason for Eros's blindness. They believed that love is what makes us do irrational things, and they didn't want their god of love to be associated with reason and logic.